another eastbound here. 2808, 2980. Another auto rack train. It's the second one in like 20 minutes. I'm at Ingersoll, Ontario, by the Ingersoll Via station. Oh, I see, it's not just auto racks. Okay. I was expecting train 434. This might be it. Aim away from the sun here. Thank you for watching. Please take a moment to subscribe, comment, and give a thumbs up. Eastbound green on the other track too. It's a long one. They're slowing down, I see. I think they have to do a track crossover. There is a Via train headed this way. See it rounding the curve a little bit way down there.